Hello, in this video I want to show you how to take a full page screenshot on Samsung Galaxy S23 Plus. And to do this you will need to open any app that allows you to scroll down. In this case, let's go for settings. Right here, click on the power key and volume down key at the same time. We just made the screenshot. Now tap here on this button. It should start scrolling down the page each time you press on it. And when you're satisfied with the amount of your screenshot, you can click on the screenshot on the left to open it with a gallery or any other app that allows you to browse through the images. And here's a full page screenshot that we just made. And it includes all of the settings tab. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.